So now, people have been asking on the forum there about the exhaust sounds, and I know we got a couple new cats that are interested in knowing what exhausts sound like. So what I got is just no catalytic converter. I still have the resonator, and I had the mufflers cut out. Really cheap, actually, like 40 bucks to do the whole thing, have it all welded in. I had them extend the tips out about an inch to make it more flush with the bumper. So we'll run up here to the interstate. It's about a mile and a half of the road. That way we can get a sound, whether it's going to drone or not. I don't notice the drone. Maybe it's because I've been driving with the exhaust like this for 7-8 months. But once you get a sound for it. Transmission goes, I have the overkill TCM. I had the whole overkill tune, and then I purchased the diablosport predator tuner and started messing with that on my own. Feels stronger with the predator, just a little bit stronger than the overkill, but I can still feel a little bit there. Basically a little bit over 80 mile an hour cruise, 4th gear. Get minimal drone in the cabin. Sounds good to me anyway, but it's definitely noticeable, the exhaust sound. So as you can see, when I had them do the tips, I had them bring the tips out further, so it's a little bit closer to the edge of the bumper. That's your exhaust sound. I think it sounds pretty good. I don't know whose Monty SS that is back there. I already tagged them twice to come to the forum. I don't know, maybe they'll show up.